Today we're making crayons with an adult's help. If you have any broken crayons at home and a silicone mold, you can make them too. First, cut your broken crayons into smaller pieces. Then fill the mold at least 3/4 high. Now, put the silicone mold on top of a wax-lined cookie sheet, just in case any melted crayon flows over. Put them in the toaster or regular oven at 150 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 25 minutes. As soon as you see all the pieces have melted, take the crayons out of the oven and let them cool. And you're done! Now it's time to color! Hope you like our video. Please subscribe.